Now, yes, I do use a pill, but it's not, you know, it's not prescription. It's not habit forming. It's called RESTMORE. And yes, when they say RESTMORE, they're not kidding. And what I usually do is I take this about 20 to 30 minutes before I go to sleep. And let me tell you something, I've been quite pleased with them. I've seen just really works. But I thought I would share with you something that just really helps me get that 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. You know, you're not going to just drop off to sleep instantaneously or anything like that. You need to take it for at least about 5 consecutive nights to really get it built up into your system. You know, to get, you know, desired effects. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good night's sleep. Have a good one.
When you just need more rest, there's RESTMORE. For better, more restful sleep, make it part of your nighttime routine.